Ever wondered how ordinary sand transforms into the crystal clear glass in your windows, your phone, or even your car? The process is way more fascinating and explosive than you'd imagine. From underground mines to high-temperature furnaces, today on HowToHub, we're taking you on a mind-blowing journey to discover exactly how glass is made from sand. Buckle up, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're curious about how the everyday things around us come to life. Glass is everywhere. Your windows, your screens, your car windshield. And yet, most of us don't give it a second thought. But here's the thing. Modern life wouldn't be possible without it. Starts with something you've probably walked on, silica sand. But not just any sand will do. Only high-purity silica is suitable, and in some places like Brazil, it's buried hundreds of meters deep inside hard rock. To get it out, teams use explosives, drilling up to 11 meters deep and planting powerful ammonium nitrate charges. After the controlled blast, massive machines move in to scoop up the broken rock. Thousands of tons are hauled to a processing plant where the real transformation begins. Step 1. Purification. Raw sand is full of impurities like clay and organic matter. To clean it, the sand is mixed with hot water in large tanks. After this bath, it's dried in huge industrial dryers to remove any lingering moisture or tiny particles. Then it's packed and shipped off to the glass factory, where the real magic happens. Step 2. Melting the mix. At the factory, massive silos store the key ingredients: silica sand, sodium carbonate, and calcium carbonate. Sodium carbonate lowers the melting point, while calcium carbonate boosts the strength of the final product. But that's not all. A crucial ingredient is added: recycled glass. Leftovers from previous batches help speed up the melting and make the process more energy efficient. Depending on the color needed, pigments like cobalt oxide are added to give the glass its distinctive hue. Everything gets mixed together and fed into a gigantic gas-fired furnace running at a staggering 1,050 degrees, hotter than lava. Step 3. Stirring the lava. As the mix melts into a glowing liquid mass, operators in heat-resistant suits carefully stir the contents to eliminate air bubbles. Those little guys can wreck the clarity and strength of the final glass. After 24 hours of intense heat, the mixture becomes smooth, viscous molten glass, ready to be shaped. This happens inside crucibles, which can each hold up to 270 kilos of molten material. Step 4. Shaping the glass. Workers have just seconds to extract the glowing glass and transfer it to a mixing table. Timing is everything. If it cools too quickly, the entire batch can be ruined. Skill and a keen eye. Operators mix and stretch the glass just enough. Too much and the colors turn dull. It's then passed through rollers that flatten it into thin, flawless sheets. These sheets are placed into an annealing oven, where they're slowly cooled and hardened to prevent cracking. Step 5. Cutting and packaging. Once cooled, each sheet is trimmed with ultra-precise tools tipped with tungsten carbide. Workers, safely suited up, score and break the sheets into uniform panels, typically around 81 mm. Any leftover bits? Don't worry, they get recycled into the next batch. Each furnace produces about 300 sheets per day. Once cut and inspected, the sheets are packed into wooden crates and shipped all over the world, ready to become part of your next smartphone screen, window, or car. Pretty incredible, right? From exploding rock to crystal clear sheets, glass making is an art of heat, pressure, and precision. If you learned something new today, tap that like button to support HowToHub. Got questions or want to see how other materials are made? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from curious minds. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of how stuff works.